All right, fellas, listen close, because what I'm about to say might just shock you. If you learn how to sit the right way, you could literally add 20, 30, maybe even 50 more strong years to your life. Yeah, I know, that sounds wild, but I'm dead serious. Now, here's the flip side. If you keep sitting the way most men do after 50, you're shaving years off your life. You're draining your strength, crushing your energy, and setting yourself up for a slow, painful decline. This isn't me trying to scare you. It's the truth. And in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why. There's one sitting position, one you probably slip into every single day, that's wrecking your body without you even realizing it. It feels comfortable, harmless, maybe even natural, but it's like signing a contract with Father Time. Every time you sit this way, you're handing him more of your power. So here's my challenge. Stick with me till the end, because once you understand the dangers, once you know how to fix it, you'll not only keep your strength, you'll unlock a longer, more powerful life than you thought possible. Let me tell you a quick story. Meet Mike. He's 55, works in sales, spends hours every day behind the wheel and in front of a computer. He's a good guy, tries to hit the gym now and then, but lately, something's off. He notices his back aches after long drives. His hips feel stiff. He can't squat as deep at the gym. And the real kicker, he feels weaker, like he's losing his edge. Doctors run tests. Everything looks normal for his age. But Mike knows something isn't right. He's not himself. And here's the crazy part. It's not disease, it's not bad luck. It's how he's been sitting. The position he thought was harmless, it's been draining him for years. And Mike isn't alone. If you're over 50 and you've ever felt that same stiffness, weakness, or loss of drive, chances are you're sitting just like he was. You see, aging already chips away at your strength. After 50, muscle loss kicks in. Your body naturally slows down recovery. Hormones dip. That's normal. But here's what most men don't realize. When you combine that with the wrong sitting habit, you're basically hitting the fast forward button on aging. Ever feel like it's harder to get up from the couch? Or that your lower back is always nagging you? Maybe you chalked it up to just getting old. But I'm here to tell you, age isn't the only villain. It's the way you've been sitting that's been slowly sabotaging you. Think of it like this. There's a thief in your house. He doesn't smash doors or make noise. He sneaks in at night, stealing just a little bit at a time. So small you don't notice, until one day you wake up and half your life is gone. That's what this sitting position does. You feel fine in the moment, comfortable even, but day after day, it's robbing you blind. And most men over 50 are completely unaware. They're sitting there, relaxed, watching the ball game, driving across town. And meanwhile, their strength is being drained drop by drop. All right, you've waited long enough. The culprit is the slouched sitting position. You know the one. Hips tucked under, shoulders hunched, belly collapsed, spine curved like a C. Maybe you're leaned back in that recliner or sunk into your office chair. Feels easy, right? But here's the truth. Every hour you spend slouched is an hour your muscles are shutting down, your energy is shrinking, and your body is slipping further away from the man you want to be. Here's what happens inside your body when you sit that way. First, your hip flexors tighten up like a vice. That kills your mobility. Second, your glutes, the muscles that power your stride, your lifts, even your manhood, switch off. They literally go to sleep. Third, your spine gets compressed, blood flow drops, testosterone dips, oxygen intake shrinks because your lungs can't expand fully. And finally, your core weakens, which wrecks your balance and posture. That's not just bad for your workouts. That's bad for your life. Mike didn't know this, but when he slouched for hours every day, his body adapted by shutting down. The same thing could be happening to you right now. Now, let's get real. How do you know this thief is stealing from you? Here are the warning signs. Do you struggle to sit cross-legged without pain? Do you have to push off your knees or arm rests just to stand up? Does your back ache after a long drive or a Netflix binge? Do your hips feel rusty every morning, like you need oil just to get moving? If you're nodding your head right now, yeah, the damage is already happening, but don't panic, because there's still time to fight back. Here's how you beat it. Step 1, fix how you sit. Keep your feet flat on the floor, hips at about 90 degrees, shoulders back, chest proud. Add a pillow behind your lower back if you need to. Step 2, Don't sit still for hours. Every 30 to 45 minutes, get up, walk around, stretch. Even just standing for 60 seconds resets your body. Step 3, reset your strength daily. Here's Mike's new routine: glute bridges to wake up those powerhouse muscles, couch stretches to unlock those tight hip flexors, planks to tighten the core and protect the spine. He started slow, just 10 minutes a day, and in a few weeks, he noticed his back pain easing, his hips felt looser, he had more pop in his step, and get this, he actually felt stronger in the gym again. So now, picture 2 futures. Future number 1, you keep slouching. A year from now, you're stiffer. 5 years from now, you're weaker. 10 years from now, you're dependent on pain meds just to get through the day. Future number 2, you fight back. You fix your sitting, you reset your body, you stay mobile and strong. At 70, you're still throwing the ball with your grandson. At 75, you're still working out. At 80, you're still independent. That's not wishful thinking, that's reality if you take action now. So tonight, when you sit down in that recliner, I want you to remember this. Comfort now can cost you years later, but strength now, that could give you decades more life. You have a choice. Be the man who lets a silent thief rob him blind, or be the man who fights back and takes control of his future. And if you want more of these hidden secrets, the things no doctor or trainer tells men over 50, then smash that subscribe button. Because trust me, we're just getting started.